Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Yuki. So let's continue this Workbench management introduction. This is the second part, product management. Let's get into the JEGA Lite official website first. So still the same process. The first is that you need to log in your admin account. But for the product management, maybe you can also log in your material management account. After you log in, just come here, this Workbench, click on it and get into this Workbench. Go to the second part, product management. Here the first thing is the material management, where you can upload your modules and texture. But before that, you need to have the category for all these things. So we'll introduce this later. The first will be the classification management. Under the classification management, you can see the enterprise category and the store category, also the personal category. In the enterprise category, you can see it will be classified into this finished product, which you can only adjust their size and textures. Then you can see the material classification, all the modules category and texture category can be made at here. And the finished doors and window and free modeling. And the second one is this whole house customization, which is for the customized cabinets. You can see the wardrobe, kitchen, system cabinet, vanity, shower, and any others. The third one is this construction. It will include all the tile, ceiling, utility, painting like this. For this texture library, currently we are not using this frequently. So let's go back to the finished product first. Here is the material classification. For your enterprise, the first time you log in, remember, come to the right side to add category. You can click the add. And here I just random input the name for this category and save it. Then you can check this one. After you have this made category, come to the right side of this one to add a subcategory for it. Or you can also edit it the second time. After you add a subcategory like this one, I input a furniture and here is the sofa, the bed, or the other things. Then you can go to upload your material under this category. Your designer can go to the design interface to use them. In the design interface, you just log in your design account. At the left side, you will have this enterprise library. Click on it. You can see all the category you made here, like this is the training. This is what I created, like the sofa, the bed. Now let's check the second one. It is whole house customization. We will use this wardrobe one as an example. Let's open this one. You can see it will mainly classify into three. The first one is this user interface. And all the category under here will be shown in the design interface. The second one is this admin interface. For this one, it will only show for the admin account or the material management account. For the admin account, you can come here, click this customization, management console. Here is where you can see all those categories. And the last one is this backup library. Like some modules you are not going to use them, then you can just move them to this backup library. It will not show in the design interface or the admin console. So let's check the first one. It is user interface. It will have 4 categories for you, like this unit and combo. You can click on it. The first is the product and click again. You can see all this thing, and for this category, you can go check at here. Whole house customization, wardrobe one. Then under your own enterprise library, the first one, unit, is for this. And here is the product. You can check it. Let's make it bigger. Okay, now you can see you get train on the other thing, aluminum frame, clothes, and the others. Which means you can also make your own enterprise category in the Workbench. Let's close this one first. What you can do is to come to the right side to add a subcategory for it, or to edit its name, the category name, but remember, it is very important. The category code cannot be changed. Do not change this one. If you change it, maybe you cannot check all these categories in your design interface. Okay, remember this. Do not change this one. Just change the category name if you want it. Let's check the next one. It is combo. For this combo, it's still at the same place. You can click on it. It's still under your enterprise library. The second one is the combo. So still the same. You can make the combo library here. The third one is styles. And for these styles, you can come here to check it. Under the custom part at the top right menu here, you have this style. You just click on it. Then you can see this tool, which is set it at here. The last one is this wardrobe material. For this wardrobe material, it is for the texture or the color you uploaded. So I just randomly drag and drop one in and right click the wall. All material. Both of these are okay. You just click one of it. The first one will be the wardrobe material. It is for this one, wardrobe material. It is set at here. Only for the wardrobe, not the kitchen or the others. So this is the user interface. The next thing is this admin interface. For the admin interface, you can check all the components of the cabinets. And for this category, it is only for the admin console. The admin account or the material management account can come to the left side. Management console, click on it. The third one open from backend library. And you can check all the details here. But here you can see like all these panels create your cabinet. Here is some shelf or some partition. Bed panel like those. So this is the admin interface. The third one I already introduced. This is the backup library. Like some module you don't want to place in these tools, you just move to here. This is for the wardrobe and kitchen are still the same. And here I also have this common texture library. For the common texture library, you can also upload your texture or color here. Then you can use them both in the wardrobe and kitchen parts for the system cabinet. Let's return to the design interface. And you just right click the wall, all material, carcass material. The first is the wardrobe material, but the second one will be the common texture library. Here is the library. Then you can create your own category here. This is for the enterprise category. Though the store category, it's almost the same. For the personal category, it will be a little bit different. Like here, the finished product is for the model, texture, and free modeling. Then you can still the same, go to right side to add category first. And still the same for the texture. You just add a default category first and to add category or edit it. Under the personal category, this is the different. Collection category. Guys, if you collect some modules from the module library, like if you collect some module from here, just click this add, then you can add category here, or you can also create a category at here. Alright, after you create the categories, then you can go back to the material management. Enterprise material. Here is where you can upload all of your materials, like the finished product, the module and texture, or the other things. And this one is this whole house customization, like the wardrobe, kitchen one, and the others. And this is the construction for the tile, ceiling, and utilities, or the others. Under the finished product, you can see the first one is the module. If you want to upload or search the texture or color, remember click to the texture one. Here's the filter for you to filter the thing you wanted, like based on its material number, asset name, and the others. upload a modules, come to the right side, click this create material, click on it. Here will show you the requirements. Left click to get inside. Click or drag and drop the files here to upload. You can see the compressed package capacity is not greater than 600 MB and only support these formats. So you just click on it and then to select the thing you wanted to upload. Like for the module, I upload this back and just click open. And you can see it's already under processing. After it processes success, it will be like this type. Then you can change this assets name and its category. Just select it at here, click on it. I want to put it under the furniture, bed, and click OK. The next thing is the assets category. If this is furniture, just set it furniture. It will affect how it plays in the design interface. Here is the placement rule like free movement on the ground or the others, just selecting based on the modules. Public category, you can keep this one. Here's the tag, you can click it to select custom label for the modules and texture or the public label. After that, you can check it and go to the button to publish it. If you upload multiples at once, then you can select multiples of them and come to here, label associate them or the batch set out for them. Check them and publish. Now it public success. We can fold it and go back to check it. Go to the left side, like here, train and this bed. You can see the bed I just published. You can like the tab to set the custom label or public label for it. And edit it. Under the edit, you can see this is the modules I just uploaded, and you can input all the basis introduction here, like changing its placement rules or rather enable it to be used in the 3D, which is the design interface. Moving down, you can also change its module size. Scroll down here. So for this commodity quotation, you can just check it. Then the first thing is just check it, then to input a jump link for it. The next thing is to show the sale price for this product. So you just check it and input the price like it is 135. Here's for you to get a quotation for this product. You just click on it. This is the product number. You just input a number for it. This is the factory price, market price, and the price. Here's the sale price. You just save it. You can set it at default quotation or not. Like now, I just set it at default quotation. Then it will show at here. Moving down, you also need to input the commodity name. Like this is the bed 002, or and whether to input the color, you can input it or not. This is the commodity picture, which will be shown in the quotation list. You can set a picture for it or not. After that, remember, go to the upper part to save it. Then when you go to the design interface and come to your enterprise library here, and this bed, like this one, this bed too, and you can see this is the selling price, and here this little shopping cart is to jump to the link. You just input it. You just drag and drop this bed for using and go to get the quotation. Go to the left side, list of the offer. The first one, finished product bond list. Yeah, now you can see this one you just set, like this is the sale price. Let's come back to the workbench. At the right side, you can also set the permission, like which department can use these modules. You can just check them to allow them to use it or just uncheck them. After you change everything, remember to click this OK. What's more, at the top, you will have more options, like just select it at the top part. You can set the label for them or just move them to the other classification. Set the material code for them, batch control the permission for the department, and even the others. At the bottom part, this circle is for you to set them into the circle, the design circle, which is an enterprise public library. We will talk about that later. And this is for the module. The next thing is the texture. If you want to upload the texture, remember come here. But for the enterprise, you just need to go to the whole house customization and to upload your texture app here. You can see this one. This is the common texture library. Then you can use the texture you uploaded at the common texture library, both in this normal design interface or the custom part. And for the common one, it is under here, the custom universal. You just select the texture. Then to place them into this common texture library. Now you just go to right side, create material, and here to find the texture mapping. Just click on it. You can single go upload them or batch upload them. Like now I just click here. Alright, remember to set the material property first. Click here. Select the new material or your own enterprise material, and we will talk about how to create your enterprise material later. Okay, now it's new material and the wood type, the solid wood, and here is to select its render effect. So you just select one, and here's the rendered scheme. You just select it as general template. Click here, upload texture. Now I want to upload this one, so I just single left click, or maybe this one, and click OK. You can see it already been uploaded. You can click here to preview the material effect and go to the right side to set its name, change its size, set the category. Under the common texture one, wood type, release it. If you click confirm, then you will continue to upload the texture or color. If you already upload everything, just click cancel. Then you can check all the material you uploaded up here. Remember under the texture and click the category to show it. Like for this one, you can come here to set the substrate or the core material for it. Just select the base material and select like this is for plywood and click OK. Still the stand at the right side, you can edit its details and set the permission for the department or even delete it. The next thing will be about this enterprise setting, and it will including three parts. The first thing is this 3D configuration. For this part, our project managers will help you to configure this well first, so you don't need to care about these things. Let's just check the second one, this permission control. Under here you can control the access permission for all department. Like under the material one, you can control the permission for each single asset. However, under this permission control, you can set them based on this category. Like for this training, all the assets under the training categories, then you can set which department can use it. You just uncheck this one and only allow the light account to use it. Then you can just set it like this. Go to the right side to save it. The last thing is this store configuration. Under the store configuration, you can set what kind of assets your store can upload. Like you allow the stores to upload the module, you just check this one. Allow them to upload the texture, check this. And save it up here. Let's check this label management. Under the label management, you can adjust the command, which is the public labels, and set the custom label for your own enterprise. Under the common label, you can see all of them, but you cannot change them. You can only disable them or just unshow them or hide them. Next thing is this custom label. Then you can create the custom label at here from your own enterprise. Just click this add tags. You can create for the finished product or for the kitchen customization part or the finishing part. You can see I already create one. Here you can add the name for it and also input the label items here. just like what we create label for the project. After you created them, come here. This is set label to control them, like stored out. Like you don't want to show these two, just uncheck them. They will be in white. Just click OK. Now it's about the material management, where you can set the core material for the color or the texture you uploaded. You just come to the material management, subtract category, panel material here, go to the right side. You will have add category, that blue button. You just click on that one. Then you will get this category name. You can edit it like this is the core material. Remember to keep it at this place. Click save. Then to add a subcategory for it, you can click on it to show all the subcategory you made. It's almost the same operation. Remember, change the status to this place. After you create all the core material for your factory, go back to the material management, enterprise material. Whole house customization part, custom unit, texture, and the common texture library you created like under here. The subtract category, like what we just said, just select the base material, then you can select it from here and click OK. So we were talking about this design circle. You just left click this design circle to getting it. You can consider this one as a public enterprise library. Then you can invite other people to join your enterprise library. Go to the right side to create a public enterprise library first. Input the library names, library made pictures, and introduction. Save it. Under the Create by Me, you will have one of this design circle, which is a public enterprise library. Click on it. First is this data overview. Then you can check all the usage data and like the collection quantities. Here is the popular data, all the other thing. At the left side, it also has some basis management, like member you invited in. Here's for you to invite the other people to join your team. You can copy a link or share a QR code to allow them join. After they make an application, you can come to the under review to allow them to join your team. The next is this setting. You can change all the details introduction for your public library. For the role permission, if you have some system default roles, you can click this view to check what kind of the permission it has. You can also create your own role and then set the permission for this one. After you setting the role, you can go back to the member management. For all the members you invited, at the right side is the setting. You can come here to input like choose a role for these members. Also set the other things like the customized validation period. And here like allow all of the employees to join your team or only allow their single account. At the left side, this circle function, you can see this general circle library. You can come here to manage the assets you uploaded to this public one. If you want to upload more, just click the shares resource. Actually, it will directly jump back to the enterprise material management. Here, then you can select the assets you want to upload and come here. Click this circle, then you will share them to your public enterprise library. What's more, it also has this custom circle library where you can share your parametric cabinet you create. Now let's going to talk about this texture library. Under the texture library, you can create your own enterprise render effect. Like when you upload the modules, like upload some texture, create material texture mapping. Here is the material property. You can come here to select the enterprise material. Then you can select the material, the render effect you created. Let's go back, texture library mode, material ball. The first thing is come here to like all category to add category. Like you want to add one for the wood type and just click OK. The second one is to click this get the material ball. Then you can come here to select them, like select from the wood. This is solid wood and search it. Then you will have this 4 type. You can just get one and movable to this category, like move to the wood you just create and hit convert. Now you get this one's sex. So you just go back to here and here the more and click edit. Under the edit, you can change its name and also the material classification. Now it's already under the wood. Here is the scenes preview. You just select it to the general template. And this is the diffuse reflection, and it is only a render effect to show to you. Here is for you to select the reflection, like the gloss and the IOR. You can control it here. Like you want it to 0.7, then you just change it. And also you want to change the other, you just change it and save it. After you changing it, go back to material management, enterprise material, texture, create material. Now you can select the render effect you just set it at here. Okay, the last thing is this recycling bin. At here you can see all the things you deleted. Still the same operation, just check them to redo them to recycle it. So this is all for the product management. See you at our next video. Goodbye.